back to the KJ Methods YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. What I want to talk about today is insurance. We see this word insurance all the time, and when we do real estate, as you're taking your pre-license, you'll see that there are so many different types of insurances. So what is the difference between the many different types of insurances, and why do we have insurance to begin with? Well, we have insurance so that we can protect against a certain hazard. There are many hazards that can occur, and insurance is going to be the protection against that. But in the pre-license class, we talk about many different types of insurance. So I just wanted to go over them with you and do a brief definition on each one. The first type of insurance that we're going to talk about is hazard insurance, also known as property insurance. But very often the textbooks refer to it as hazard insurance. And this would be the insurance that you get on your property, or a buyer gets on their property. This is the same insurance that we say is impounded if you have a budget mortgage. And it's going to protect against fire, burglary, things of that nature on the property. You understand that the bank has an interest in you having this type of insurance because they don't want anything to happen to the property, and they won't be protected. The second type of insurance is going to be called title insurance. Title insurance is insurance on the title of the property, and it is there so that it protects against things that could come up. I say the things that are rear their ugly head on the property from something from the past, right? So someone tries to put a lien on the property or some sort of encumbrance on the property from the past. And so the current person that is in possession of that property has to fight against this problem occurring. But title insurance is going to protect them. Again, title insurance is going to be mandatory if you have a loan on the property, because the bank wants to protect against these things that will rear their ugly head from the past. The next one is called mortgage insurance. Why do we have mortgage insurance? Well, again, the bank wants to make certain that you are going to pay this loan. And so very often, whether we have private mortgage insurance in a conventional loan, or we have mortgage insurance premium on an FHA loan, the point of it is to protect against you not making your payment. So if you do not make your payment, the bank has insurance in place where they can be made whole. The next one is called flood insurance. Well, what's flood insurance and how is it different from hazard insurance? Well, believe it or not, hazard insurance does not cover floods. If you are in a flood zone, you would have to have flood insurance, which can be very expensive. So if you live near a beach area or the intercoastal waterway, things of that nature, you have property that is closer to water and subject to things such as hurricane, let's use it for example, then you would also get flood insurance. Again, if you have a loan on the property, the bank could require that you get flood insurance, and it tends to be pretty expensive depending upon what area you're in. The next one is called errors and omissions insurance. This is the type of insurance that you and I, as sales agents, would get. Anytime you're working in a professional capacity, you're going to have what we call errors and omissions, because it is to ensure that you don't do anything that is essentially below the standards of care in your profession. So let's say, for example, you write a contract the wrong way, or you forget to disclose something that you're supposed to disclose, not intentional acts, but something that you forget to do within the standards of your profession, you could be covered then under your errors and omissions insurance. And as a sales agent, you will definitely have this type of insurance. The next one is called general liability insurance. General liability insurance would be insurance that a person would have in case someone slips and falls on premises. We very often see this as a standalone in a professional capacity. So let's say I had an office and people were coming back and forth into the office. I don't want anybody to slip and fall, so I would have general liability insurance to protect against that. Hazard insurance that comes on a home generally has a portion of it that is general liability also, because think about it. If someone comes to your home, you do not want them to slip and fall, so you want to be protected against that. The last one is called home warranty, right? Sometimes we call it just a home warranty policy, but it is a form of insurance. And so this, very often a buyer could ask a seller, hey, can you provide me with a home warranty? What they're saying is, hey, can you pay for an insurance policy for me in case certain things break on this particular property? And of course, they're all different, but essentially the home warranty is going to protect you if things such as the air conditioning breaks or the roof leaks or things of that nature. Well, that's it for today. Nice short video on the different types of insurances. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who you think may be interested. Once again, thank you for coming to the KJ Methods YouTube channel. Have a great day. See you next time.